Yeah, the bed's on, and if you can see the, oh yeah, you can see the gap between the bed and the cab. I don't like it. I measured twice, 3, 4 times. I tried to build everything on the chassis in the garage. You can see the door opening. It's only 8 foot tall. There ain't no way this is gonna fit in there. So I tried to build everything on the chassis, lay everything out, drill all the holes, mount everything up, as before I brought it out here and put the cab and the bed on. So I measured everything for what I had. Under here, got this adjusted. See the opening for the wheel well is right where it's supposed to be. That's good. The hinge pin is in. All that stuff fits. That's all good. I just don't like it. I don't like how far the gap is between there, and I can, there we go, cut this bracket off, build a new one, and move it back here, clear way to the back. I measured that out. That'll give me like 8 inches if I move that back. Then there ain't nothing sticking off, you know, ain't no tail off the end of it, which is what I wanted anyway. But I wanted to build it like it was, lay everything out, put it together. So that means if I move that forward, let's see, oh, I can't see up in there, but the dump cylinder, because this is a telescopic cylinder off the front of the bed, I'll have to move that mount forward also. But I mean, it'll work the way it is. I just don't like it, so I'm gonna try to fix it. In the other video, the top of the dump cylinder, I shoved a rod through and a chain, and I took that chain back to the forklift mast. I'm gonna pick the bed up with the high lift. Just tilt the bed up. But that's how I picked it up in the dark video there, putting this on at night.